This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play We Three Kings on guitar. We'll begin by mastering the core chords needed for this classic carol. You'll primarily use a minor, E major, and D minor, which are excellent for beginners. Focus on pressing down firmly with your fingertips to ensure each note rings out clearly. Practice switching between these three chords, slowly at first, building muscle memory for seamless transitions. This foundation is key to playing the entire song smoothly. Now that you have the chords down, let's add a simple strumming pattern. A basic down-down up-up-down motion works perfectly for We Three Kings. Imagine a steady, moderate pace, not too fast and not too slow. Try counting out loud, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and to help keep your rhythm consistent. This pattern will give the song a nice, flowing feel, making it enjoyable to play and listen to. Remember, consistency is more important than speed at this stage. Let's explore the song's structure and how the chords fit together. We Three Kings typically follows a clear verse and chorus pattern. Pay attention to where the chord changes occur within each section. A helpful tip is to anticipate the next chord by looking ahead 1 or 2 measures as you play. Practice each section individually, focusing on smooth, timely transitions. Once comfortable, try linking the sections together, gradually increasing your speed until it feels natural and musical. To truly master We Three Kings, consistent practice is essential. Aim for short, focused sessions, perhaps 15 minutes each day, rather than one long session. Using a metronome can significantly improve your timing and help you maintain a steady rhythm. Once you feel confident, try playing along with a recording of the song. This will help you refine your overall performance and ensure you're keeping pace. Enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful carol to life on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.